awesome. Sometimes you just gotta forget how great it is to ride, especially an R6. This is lit. This is the way to start your week. How could you be upset on a Monday if you go to school or work like this? Bumping some Hollywood Undead with my Cena, riding an R6. I don't understand the moped craze here. Like, everybody buys them, I'm pretty sure as a joke, and it's not like they're that cheap. You could almost get a motorcycle and for like the same price as some of these mopeds. Like, why are you wasting money as a joke when you could actually like get into one of the best hobbies, in my opinion. I wonder if people think my bike is slow because it sounds like it's really revved up, even when I'm not going that fast. You know what I'm saying? I'm not a fan of getting right out of the shower and putting my helmet on. I already have helmet hair bad enough. I don't need help with helmet hair. But I am a fan of riding my R6, and I'm a fan of lifting, and I'm a fan of being clean, so gotta give somewhere. Chest and back again today. It was fantastic. The main rep range was 38,642 this time. My bench isn't as strong as it usually is. I got 315 for 4, and then I just stayed at 315 for the 2 reps. Kind of sad, but whatevs. It'll get back up there. I was pulling a decent amount of weight on bent over rows, not with very good form. I justified it by having fairly strict form with the dumbbell bent over rows, for whatever that's worth. Hey, what's up? Oh, riding to school. Yeah, I have a headset so I can like answer calls and stuff. Yeah, it is.
What we do here is go back.
There's a storm coming, one the weatherman couldn't predict. Did you get that? Did you get that? You catch on to what I did there, huh? Huh? Yeah, you did. I do think I just felt a raindrop though. That is sick. I don't like mini cruisers, but that one's nice. Oh, it's raining. Def raining. It's a coming. The rain is coming. That guy knows it. I hate it when people smoke and drive. Like, I don't care if you're in your car, I can smell that. I'm not trying to get lung cancer, bro. This is not something I'm trying to do. It's so raining. I'm going into it too. Yeah, definitely am. Definitely am. Oh, that's a Porsche though. That is nice. R500 Spider, never heard of it. Looks sweet though. I definitely should have stayed on 27th and just got back to my house though. That was not worth it. Just kidding, yeah, it was. Good thing my phone's waterproof. Galaxy S7, it's the way to go. I just realized I'm pretty hungry. I ate right before class. Had my chicken breast, broccoli, brown rice, and sweet potatoes. Tasted fantastic. A cup of skim milk. The price first stuff from Walmart. It's actually kind of expensive now compared to what it usually is. It's $2.45. I have the right of way because it's raining. Nah? Okay. She gave me a really weird look. I don't have a clue who it is. I don't know my neighbors. I don't really care. Somebody could be a better person? I don't know. I ain't bake us no cookies and bring them over when we moved in. That's for sure. I need to go somewhere in like an hour, so I hope it stops raining. Or I just hope it doesn't start raining. It can't stop raining. It hasn't started really. It has been sprinkling, but oh shit. That was stupid of me. Yeah. Way to go. I should get that off of there. Way to go. Like seriously, what was I thinking? So I melted that hole through my tarp for absolutely nothing because it sprinkled like 4 drops. Nicely done. Hey kids, don't put your tarp on your bike when you just got done riding it, because the exhaust gets really hot. Just so y'all are aware. What's with all the traffic, yo? It's almost hard to go this slow. It reminds me of my motorcycle test on my 95 Ninja 250. The place where I took the test was about a half hour away. My parents wouldn't let me ride it to the place where the test was because I didn't have my license, which makes sense. So my buddy who had a motorcycle license rode it up there. So I really wasn't used to riding it when it was that warm, and I really didn't know how to like use the clutch to go real slow. So I had a really hard time trying to go slow because the bike was idling so high. Oh, he just stood me up. The bike was idling so high that it didn't want to go that slow. It was pretty rough. I killed the stopping test though. That's one thing I practiced a lot. And then for the U-turn, I had been practicing my U-turns like a bunch, going left. And then when I got to the test, I went right for some reason. Like I didn't fall over anything, but that was a trip. Like, why would I not go the way that I was practicing the last 2-3 weeks? That doesn't make any sense. I don't know. I just decided I should go right. To my home I go. Oof. It got windy out. I don't like that. It got really windy. I guess that's Hays, Kansas for you. I need to super glue my mirror again. It's getting pretty gnarly. Low fuel. My Jeep and my bike have the low fuel light going. What am I to do? It's like my vehicles think I'm just made of money or something. If I could, my singing would be terrible. But I think it'd be so cool to be able to rap.